Hello everyone. So this is day 6. This is the last day staying here in Taiwan. A quick drop here. I don't know what is this place kasi hindi ako nagbabasa. Hindi nagbabasa ang peg kaya hindi ko alam kung anong place ito. But all I can say is maganda yung view. Doon sa kabila kasi ano siya, parang temple and then surrounded by the water. Kaya sinusum ko na lang kasi malayo, nasa kabilang side kami and malayo yung mga temple na yon. But later on, pupuntahan namin yon kung ano ba yung nandun sa kabila. So dito kasi sa side namin is para siyang may candle na ano, candle na na designed by the dragon. Pero hindi kasi ako nagbabasa kaya hindi ko ma-explain kung ano yan. But it's like a historical site. Hindi, but actually, I don't know what is that kasi nga hindi ko siya binasa so I can't explain. So pero maganda yung place. So punta na tayo sa sa street market ng Taiwan. Busy street food market here. But I don't know bakit ganyan yung naging kuha ng video ko. Parang you need to tagilid yung ano nyo, yung neck. You need to be a tagilid. So pasensya na guys kung ganyan yan. But thank you sa mga nanonood dito sa vlog na to. And hopefully you like it and enjoy it. I enjoy naglakad. We are walking whole day here and then we just drop for our brunch. Kumain kami dyan for our brunch. Pero ang daming tao. Hindi ka magugutom dito. Just bring your wallet. And there's a lot of food you can see in the side of the street. So, ito nga pala yung side na zoom ko kanina. So, makikita mo dyan na may temple dyan. And then, there is parang, yung parang statue. Yan yung mga side. Ito yung side nga pala. So, yun yung makikita mo dito na side. So, ano pala siya? Crowded food street market. So, parang ano yata to? Ito yata yung landmark ng Taiwan. Parang ano sila? Commonly known as street food na mga ganito. So, yan yung temple but hindi na ako nagpasok dyan kasi I don't have a time. We don't have a time. So, we don't have a time to explore that temple. Pero maganda yung nasa labas. You can take a picture and then take a look. And then, nakakapagod lang talaga maglakad because you're just walking whole day in your trip. So, but you can sit down and eat something so you can take a rest. Parang ano to parang dinadayo yata to ng mga tourists. So, just tingnan nyo na lang kasi nakakapagod mag voice over. So, pasensya na kung wala tong walang sound kasi naka-mute kasi na re-upload na kasi tong video na to kaya naka-mute siya. Actually, maganda yung Taiwan, but it's a small place. You can explore a lot. So, yan. If you have time, then you can visit here. I think it's very easy to come. Kasi nasa lang siya, sidewalk. And there's a highway. I think it's commonplace. This is a famous place here in Taiwan. As you can see that tower, it's like a pagoda tower. So ano siya, famous iyan kaya I think you can malalaman mo kung saan yan banda. If you're a Filipino visiting here in Taiwan, we don't need a visa, so that is a good thing. And all we need is the declaration and your accommodation. Kung saan ka mag-stay dito at what is your purpose, why you come here. So, it's very easy to come. So, wala siyang problema and madali lang siyang puntahan. All you need is your allowance and where you stay. So, yan lang yung yan lang yung need mo. So, it's very convenient to come at malapit lang din siya sa Pilipinas. I think, I don't know how many, maybe 1 hour something or 2 hours kasi we are different places in the Philippines if you come in Taiwan. So, hindi ko alam kung how many hours you traveled by the air. So, kasi sa Hong Kong to Taiwan, it's only 1 hour. So, malapit lang siya and Madali lang siyang puntahan. So I'm already here at home. So I just missed this bed because it's very tired. If you travel, it's very tired and tired but enjoyable. And I just miss my room because I'm so tired walking. Actually, if you travel, then you just feel tired of walking whole day, walking all night. So ganon yung life if you want to travel abroad or you want to travel to see other countries, their culture, their beauties of their country, and you try to explore more, and I hopefully I can explore more. So that's it. I have 6 days staying there. So I just go into places, Kaohsiung or Kaohsiung and Kenting in Taiwan. So thank you so much sa nagdala sa akin doon, and I'm so grateful, and hopefully different country na naman. So I hope you enjoy my trip, and I enjoy a lot. Thank you sa sponsor. And there's a lot of places, beautiful places you can see there, but I can't capture. It's because of my something. So yun lang po yung mapapakita ko sa inyo, and thank you so much for watching all my videos from day 1 to until here. So I'm so grateful that you follow my my journey. I love you guys. Thank you so much. And that's it. See you next time. Bye bye.